How to add payment options in Google Forms. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add payment options in Google Forms. So if you're someone that wants to enable payments in Google Forms, you can do it in a few simple and easy steps. To do this, simply head on over to Forms, and once you head on over to Forms, you're going to go on ahead and start building your form. So you might have a multitude of reasons as to why you want to start accepting payments in Google Forms. A lot of people are providing services or consulting via their forms. So if you want to be able to add like a booking charge or a service charge or a reservation charge, because I know a lot of people are using Google Forms to build reservations and RSVPs. So what we're going to be doing is this is going to be our analysis form, let's say, or consultancy form. And then let's say our question is going to be, what service would you like to avail? And then this is going to be employee morale training, which is going to be, let's say, $500. And let's say our other option is going to be employee productivity training. It's also going to be, let's say, 200. And let's say we have one more service. So our third option is going to be outdoor experiential training. And this is going to be $1,000. And just like that, we have multiple choice. Now, once we've done that, we are going to move towards our next step to be able to accept or integrate a payment system. To do this, you can click on the top where you have this puzzle icon and you will have the option of add-ons. So just click on add-ons and you will see I don't have any add-ons. So we're going to go into settings. We're going to publish this first. And once I have published this, I am going to go into Google Forms. Then in Google Forms, we are just going to be checking if our form is working, fully functional form. Then we have all our responses, all our settings, question default, responses. So we're going to go into Google and search for Payable, Google Forms, Google Form extension. And from here, you're going to see Payable Forms, Google Workspace Marketplace. So you can click on over here and you have this application which allows you to create payments and accept payments. This is created by Payable Inc. If you scroll down, you also have this Payable Google Forms add-on. So you can use whichever one you think is fine. You will find other options as well, but we're just going to go into Payable Forms, click on install. Once you click on install, you're going to have to log on to your Google account on Payable Forms and download this extension. Once you do that, you're going to allow it to just basically run with your Google account, and we're just going to click on OK. Now from here, you're going to go back. You're going to see your extension is not activated. So you're going to go into your basic form homepage and then go into your menu on the top and then just open up Google Sheets. Once you go into Google Sheets, you're going to see, just open up any blank spreadsheet. And on the top, you have your extensions. So click on extensions and you will see Payable Forms and click on Get Started. Once you do that, you have your Payable add-on and you're just going to set this up. So once you set this up, you're going to click on Go to Google Forms. And once you do that, this will open up a redirect URL. Then going to open your form up. Then go into your extensions or add-ons and you will see Payable Forms. Click on Payable Forms and it's going to give you different types of payment options. Make this form payable. So you're going to select that first and the installation of the application will begin. So we're just waiting for Payable Forms to be integrated and we're just going to click on Get Started. Once you do that, you're going to choose your default language, your home country, and the currency you want to use. And you're going to click on Looks Good, click on OK, then we're going to close this window. And after that, we have our Payable form, make this form payable. Then on the bottom right, we're going to have a pop-up. Now, You're going to make this payable. Click on OK on your notification. Once you do that, you're going to connect a payment provider to your actual payment system. So for payable forms, you're going to click on over here and you're going to auto configure our form and sheet. Then you're going to sync with the theme at your checkout. So we're going to complete this, see the connected Google Sheet. We have to sync up, so we're just going to click on the tick. Once you click on the checkbox, it just does all the steps for you. Then you have to connect your payment provider. So you're going to click on this and this will give you all your payment provider options. Now for individuals or businesses, we have Square, Stripe, and PayPal. All three of these are probably the largest giants you could assume for payment acceptance, and you're able to access any one of these. And you also have PayPal, Raise Your Pay, Rapid, Adyen, Braintree as well. So we can go with Stripe, and this will open up a pop-up, and in the pop-up, you're going to have to connect to your account. Once you connect to your account, this will be connected, and you can add your payment section. You can choose whatever amount that you want based upon whatever option the people are selecting, and they would be led to their individual checkouts. Now, there is a more direct way for you to add payments directly into your forms, and you can do that by building your form as you normally would. So build out your form. Once you build out your form, you can click on the top right where you have these three dots. And once you click on those three dots, you can click on Get Add-ons. Once you click on Get Add-ons, you can directly search for form payment or just payments. And you will see other applications. So Google Forms, WhatsApp form, order forms, accept e-signature forms. And you have Google Forms, payment forms, Google Forms to your website. So we're just going to search for payments, and PayQ is honestly the easiest way to collect payments. So you can again click on this, click on install. Once you do click on install, you can wait and proceed on to the next step. So from here, you're just going to have to log on to your account. And once you connect your Google account to your PayQ account, then it's going to be able to manage payments and accept payments directly from your Google Forms. So currently it's being installed in our Google form. And once this has been completed, we're just going to click on done. Then on the top right, I can click on my add-ons. And then I have PayQ, add payments, and then I can click on open. Once I click on open over here, I'm just going to wait for this to be loaded up. And once this has been loaded up on the bottom right, we can click on Get Started. Once we click on Get Started, we have PayQ, we have their basic information, and we're just going to click on Get Started over here. And again, we're just going to integrate this application. Once you do that, you're going to add your options as payment options, and you can link your form and your sheet. Once your form and your sheet have been linked, you are now going to be able to accept payment options with PayQ. So just like that, you are able to connect your Google Forms to a payment method, whether it's PayQ or Payable forms. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with accepting payments using Google Forms. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, make sure to comment down below and subscribe for more content. Have a great day ahead.